Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You join a match and immediately pick a role. Choose President only if you plan to play defensively. Once selected, make sure to scan the lobby for teammates who can be Secret Service. Open the map right away and memorize spawn points and extraction routes so you know escape possibilities. Equip the default loadout, and if you have currency, buy crucial upgrades like body armor or a faster weapon. This sets you up to act instead of reacting. You want to control space without wandering. Stick in triangular formations so the president is always protected from multiple angles. Once done, advance using cover and vaults, pop smoke to force attackers to reposition, and use choke points to slow pushes. Make sure to call out enemy locations, remaining ammo, and time until extraction. Concise calls prevent friendly fire. Coordinate who watches flanks and who breaches. This discipline, you aim to reach extraction with priority. The president first, then retrievers. Once near the point, secure a perimeter and send one teammate to scout the approach while others hold angles. If you're pinned down, make staggered pushes. One teammate draws fire while another slips out, so you create a single escape corridor. Make sure to vote for extraction early to avoid last-second chaos. If voice or text chat fails, use quick pings and prearranged visual signals to coordinate a safe exit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.